Today, I want to tell you a story about a girl named Leila. Leila is a college student. She is quiet and thoughtful. She is an introvert. This is a story about her day. The morning sun is soft. Leila's alarm clock makes a gentle sound. Beep, beep, beep. It is not loud. Leila opens her eyes slowly. She feels sleepy, but she also feels calm. The room is quiet. She loves the morning silence. It is her favorite time of day. She gets out of bed and walks to her window. She looks outside. The world is still waking up. There are no loud noises, just peace. Leila takes a deep breath. She feels happy. She gets dressed for college. She chooses a simple blue shirt and comfortable jeans. She doesn't like to think too much about clothes. Simple is best. She puts her books in her bag, a notebook, a pen, and a book to read. She is ready. Leila walks to college. She does not take the bus. She likes to walk. The morning air is cool and fresh. She hears the birds singing in the trees. The streets are quiet. Not many cars, not many people. It feels peaceful. This walk helps her prepare for the day. She feels calm and gentle inside. Now, Leila is at college. Her first class is English literature. She loves this class. The classroom is big, but Leila sits in a quiet corner. She likes to watch and listen from a distance. The professor starts to talk. His voice is interesting. Leila listens very carefully. She hears every word. She takes out her notebook and pen. She writes down important things. She doesn't write everything, just the ideas that she likes. Her notes are clean and neat. She is a very good student. She is shy, but she is learning so much. She doesn't speak much in class, but she thinks deeply about everything. Learning for her is a quiet journey. After class, it is time for a break. Many students go to the cafe. They talk and laugh loudly. It is too noisy for Leila. She needs a quiet place. So she goes to the library. The library is her favorite place at college. It is a world of silence and books. She finds a comfortable chair near a window. She takes out her book. It is a story about a magical forest. As she reads, the noise of the college disappears. She is in a different world. She feels safe and happy here, all by herself. Solitude is a good friend to her. It helps her feel calm. Now it is lunchtime. Leila goes to the cafeteria. It is busy and loud, but she finds a small table in a corner. She eats her lunch alone. Some people might think she is lonely, but Leila does not feel lonely. She feels peaceful. Lunchtime is her time to think. She reflects on her morning classes. She thinks about the book she is reading. This quiet time helps her recharge her energy for the afternoon. The afternoon classes are finished. Leila walks home. The walk home is nice, just like the walk in the morning. When she gets home, she makes a warm cup of tea. She sits at her desk and studies. She reviews her notes from class. She likes studying alone. She can focus better. Later in the evening, she relaxes. Sometimes she watches a movie. Sometimes she listens to music. Her favorite music is soft and calm. It helps her think and feel peaceful. She has quiet hobbies. She likes to draw simple pictures or write in her journal. Her evenings are simple and full of contentment. You might think Leila has no friends, but she does. She has two very close friends, Anna and Ben. They are also quiet people. They understand Leila. They don't have big, loud parties. Instead, they have small, quiet gatherings. Maybe they drink tea together and talk about books, or they go for a quiet walk in the park. With them, Leila feels understood. She doesn't need to pretend to be someone else. As the day ends, Leila lies in her bed. The room is dark and quiet. She thinks about her day. It was a good day, a simple day. She feels content and peaceful. She accepts who she is. She is an introvert, and that is okay. Being quiet does not mean being weak. It means finding peace in my own way. Now, let's learn some new words from the story. First, the word introvert. An introvert is a person who feels more comfortable and gets energy from being alone. For example, Leila is an introvert, so she enjoys reading a book by herself. Next is solitude. Solitude is the state of being alone, especially when it is peaceful and pleasant. For example, she went to the library to enjoy some solitude. Then we have tranquility. Tranquility means a state of peace and quiet. For example, the tranquility of the early morning made her feel calm. Another word is cherish. To cherish something means to love and care for it deeply. For example, Leila cherishes her quiet time in the evenings. Next is reflection. Reflection is careful thought about something. For example, lunchtime was a time for reflection on her day, and our last word is contentment. Contentment is a feeling of happiness and satisfaction. For example, sitting with a cup of tea, she felt a sense of contentment. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned something new. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more stories like this. See you next time.